Bench testing the 1959-1960 Cadillac non-fog light option headlight switch, serial number HS06262024, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. Test number 3, dome courtesy light operation. Test number 4, dash lights set low to high. Test number 5, circuit breaker test. Test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. During the run-out test, we're going to be using a fully charged battery on boost. Right now we're reporting 12.79 volts. Now in the boost we're reporting 13.98, 14 volts. Also going to monitor the temperature of the rheostat. We have a digital readout here. Right now we're at ambient at 86, 87 degrees Fahrenheit. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. First position, your tail light, parking lights. Let's set the dash lights to mid-range. And off. Again, first position, tail, parking lights, and off. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. First position, tail lights, front parking. Second position, front parking lights are off, headlights come on. Back to first position, headlights are off, front parking lights come on and off. Test number 3, dome courtesy light operation. First position, rotate the pull rod around the switch tab. We see we have an indication of dome courtesy light. Second position, rotate the pull rod around the body switch tab. We see we have indication dome courtesy light. Back to first position, dome courtesy light, and up. This option is also available by simply rotating the control pull rod with the lights off. Test number 4, dash lights set low to high. First position, rotate the rheostat control knob. I'm going to set that to dim right at the end of the coil. We have an increase from ambient. We're now at 92 degrees. Let's rotate the rheostat down to mid-range. Now reporting around 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Too bright. And full bright. Back to mid-range. To dim. And off. Second position. Rotate the rheostat, control stem, to dim. Mid-range. And full bright. Back to first position, mid-range, and off. Test number 5, circuit breaker test. Delco running headlight switches had a built-in circuit breaker. It's a bimetallic contact arm connected the battery to the switch. Demonstrate how that would work in a situation where there's an overheating in the circuit, either in vehicle wiring or in the switch body itself. The contact arm would expand, break the connection between the battery and the switch, protecting the vehicle wiring and the switch body. That option is also available in second position, headlight position, simulating expansion of the contact arm. We have a disconnect here from the battery to the switch, protecting the vehicle switch and wiring. Back to first position, expansion of the contact arm, breaking the connection between the battery and the switch, protecting the vehicle wiring, and off. Test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. We'll be using a standard 12-volt test light. You see we have continuity back to the battery at the switch chassis. and probe each one of the switch terminals and demonstrate that there's no connection to ground. Here at the dash light feed, battery feed, headlight feed, taillight feed, parking light feed. The only continuity we have back to the battery is at the switch chassis. Dash light feed, battery feed, headlight feed, taillight feed, and parking light feed. Only continuity back to the battery we have here at the switch chassis.